Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to take your crafting or engraving projects to the next level, you're in the right place. We'll be showcasing the 3 best DIY engraving electric drills for 2025 that offer precision, power, and versatility. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 3. Cordless Rotary Tool, Dremel Drill with Accessories. This USB cordless rotary tool is engineered with precision and flexibility in mind. It features a 3-speed electric drill with adjustable speed regulation. You can choose from 3 distinct speeds: 8,005 RPM, 16,500 RPM, or 21,000 RPM. This versatility ensures you can tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this rotary tool is its intelligent chip and high-speed silent motor. The intelligent chip controls the speed settings, ensuring smooth operation and precision. The high-speed silent motor not only delivers powerful performance, but also operates quietly, so you can work comfortably without disturbing your environment. Another impressive feature is the large-capacity lithium battery, with a robust 2,200 mAh rating. This battery is not only safe and durable, but also ensures long-lasting battery life, so you can work on your projects without frequent interruptions. This tool is perfect for a variety of applications. For sculpture, it's ideal for carving small to medium-sized objects like wood, jade, and stone. If you need to peel surfaces or finish wood, this tool handles that with ease. It's also suitable for drilling thin materials such as wood, jade, and plastic. The rotary tool excels at cutting through wood, jade, metal, and plastic. And for those finishing touches, it's perfect for polishing surfaces, whether they are made of wood or metal. Inside the tool, you'll find a powerful 35-watt high-power, pure copper motor that's built to last. The all-copper clamp core ensures high concentricity without shaking, making it durable and resistant to wear. Number 2. ARROWMAX Cordless Drill for Crafts. The ARROWMAX Cordless Drill weighs only 46 grams, making it incredibly lightweight. This is great for those who prefer working with just one hand, as it allows you to maneuver it easily without straining your wrist or arm. Despite its small size, this drill does not compromise on performance. It delivers outstanding precision and power, making it perfect for a variety of tasks. Charging this tool is an absolute breeze. In just 50 minutes, you can fully charge the ARROWMAX cordless drill, and once charged, it provides 90 minutes of uninterrupted working time. The LED indicator keeps you informed about the battery status, so you will always know when it's time to recharge, preventing any unexpected downtime. Equipped with a powerful rotation speed of 550 revolutions per minute, the ARROWMAX cordless drill is ideal for handling your tasks efficiently. It features a 350 mAh lithium polymer battery, which combines powerful performance with long-lasting efficiency. This drill can handle a variety of materials like plastic, wood, and leather with ease. The ARROWMAX cordless drill also comes with 10 different sizes of drill bits, ranging from 0.6 mm to 2.2 mm, and a 2.35 mm diameter shaft. The bits are easy to change and are magnetically held in place in an included aluminum case. This makes it simple and convenient to switch out bits for different jobs. Oh, make your work even easier. The ARROWMAX cordless drill features built-in shadowless lights. With 4 LED lights that illuminate the chuck area, you can work with clarity, even in dimly lit spaces. Operating the drill is also incredibly simple. Number 1. FOCSE DIY Drill. This drill is compatible with a wide range of materials, including wood, glass, plastic, and metal, making it perfect for various crafting projects. Designed with user comfort in mind, the FOCSE DIY Drill features an ergonomic handle and a lightweight body. This ensures ease of use, even during extended periods of work, reducing fatigue and enhancing precision. One of the standout features is its dual LED lighting. These lights illuminate your work area, providing clear visibility even in dimly lit spaces. This enhancement allows for greater accuracy and control. The FOCSE DIY Drill boasts an adjustable speed range with 6 different settings, from 8,000 revolutions per minute to 30,000 RPM. Included with the drill is a comprehensive accessory kit featuring 236 pieces. This extensive kit covers a wide range of DIY projects, from woodworking to metal engraving, offering you everything you need for versatile applications. With an output power of 180 watts, this mini drill is perfect for precise work on metals, plastics, wood, glass, and ceramics. It's designed for both detailed engraving and surface processing, ensuring you can tackle any project with ease. Featuring a flexible shaft choke, the FOCSE DIY Drill allows for easy adjustment of collets to fit different accessories. The metal material collet nut securely locks the collet, and you can replace it to accommodate fittings from 0.5 mm to 3 mm. And there you have it, our top picks for the 3 best DIY engraving electric drills for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these mini drills will make your projects easier and more precise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content. Thanks for watching.